Did you know that feeling better and having more energy right now is the key to adding healthy years or even decades to your life? I know it sounds crazy, but you truly can have your cake and eat it too. I'm Dr. Priyank Sharma, and I'm a physician scientist trained from the University of Pennsylvania, Harvard, and Case Western. My journey to longevity medicine started a few years ago when my mom died from breast cancer that was caught too late. And I was completely blindsided because she was in great shape. She didn't have any family history and she kept up with all her mammograms. So I immediately left my lucrative dermatology career to understand what went wrong. And it very quickly became clear that modern healthcare is not keeping us healthy at all. After a long search, I discovered a new approach to truly preventing disease called longevity, and it instantly resonated with me. It was obvious that this new approach was the solution my mom had needed, and it became my life's mission right then to spread this paradigm of healthcare to the whole world. I've now successfully helped dozens of patients apply longevity medicine to their lives and am publicly opening Veda, my medical practice. In the short video, I'll explain why longevity medicine is different and give you a preview of the Veda patient experience. So at Veda, our philosophy is really simple. We do everything we can to prevent the start of chronic diseases, which results in more healthy and happy years of life. This is because evidence shows that to increase the number of years you live, you have to delay the onset of disease. That means you need a preventive approach. And it turns out when you proactively prevent disease, you start feeling better right away. It's truly having your cake and eating it too. You might be wondering, how is this different from regular medical practice? The key really is to identify pre disease and intervene before the progression to traditional definitions of disease. We do this in a few key ways. I'm going to share my screen right now and show you one of our secret sauces. As you can see here, we test widely. So we have over 100 biomarkers that we'll look for. And we also use advanced techniques like liquid biopsies and DEXA scans to make sure we're not missing anything. In addition, we've created custom normal ranges that you won't see from your regular doctor. These are preventive grade. This is making sure that you don't progress to that traditional definition of disease. In addition to that, we test frequently because we want to catch and fix abnormalities right away. And we focus on habits before we send prescription drugs because good sleep, diet, and exercise don't have side effects. But if you do need meds, we will, of course, prescribe them. Finally, we utilize the latest clinical science, behavioral techniques, and tools like health trackers, and we apply them immediately as soon as it's out on the presses. So you're getting the most advanced and effective care. But what really sets Vita apart is that we meet you where you are. We don't force you into a predetermined path. Our program wraps around you. And this is by design. I knew that in order to meet my mission, I needed a program that works for people starting their longevity journey, like my mom would have been, all the way to enthusiasts aiming to take things to the next level and everybody in between. And I found that you get better results when you really customize a program to that individual person. So I'm proud to say that we've developed the most advanced longevity medicine system that is completely customized to each patient's unique needs, goals, and life situation, the Vita Proactive Preventive Program. So I'm going to talk you through what that patient experience looks like and give you a preview of our proactive preventive program. So for every patient, we kick things off by determining your longevity goals. How old would you like to live until? What would you like to be able to do in those later years, such as carrying groceries up a flight of stairs? And how many different longevity areas are you interested in optimizing? Then we learn about how to best motivate you and create a behavioral profile. We review your current diet, sleep, and exercise habits, and then do the full medical current and past evaluation so we know what to expect. Finally, we layer on some of your preferences, financial, time constraints, and anything else. And through that, we create your customized proactive preventive program. I'm going to show you here what one of these could look like for you. As you can see, we go through the different areas of longevity. These in green are the ones that I think everybody needs to address to reach their long-term goals. Some of the other ones are optional. Through this, we create your own customized timeline to help you keep on track. We make sure we're changing your habits as we go through it. And there's a dashboard so you can see your current status and keep track of everything. In addition to taking a new approach to medicine, I wanted a better experience. So there's a few things that we've implemented. We have 100% virtual visits. You don't have to travel to the doctor and sit there in a waiting room. We bill insurance whenever we can because we want to lower the costs and make this as accessible as possible. When insurance won't cover things, we have upfront pricing and diagnostics. We create visit summaries and educational material so you can focus on our conversation and understanding what's going on rather than having to take notes or hope you can remember things afterwards. We have a database of longevity resources like meal prep and dietitians and everything else to help you find the third-party resources that can help you on this journey. And if your medical problems go beyond a longevity preventive issue, we'll help you find the medical specialists that you need. We also create a full medical record where you fully own all of the data that you can have at any point in time. I'm extremely confident in our approach because I've seen it work over and over again. For every single one of our patients, we've identified previously missed risk factors for major diseases and significantly reduced that risk. And we've helped them feel better and gain more energy day by day. I guarantee you'll walk away from our program with more confidence that you'll age the way that you always imagined. So if you're interested in joining Veda, please click the link at the top of our website for a completely free consultation. Even if you aren't a good fit for our practice, I'd love to help you find the resources and get you moving along your longevity journey however I can. This really is my mission. Thanks for your interest, and I commend you on taking this step towards better health and a better future.